So, the Mini Cooper has an issue. Let me explain. I know what you're thinking, but you just got the car. You just got it 3 weeks ago and you already have a major issue with it? Yes. It was actually an issue I knew was going on with the car before I purchased, well, not before I purchased it, but on the way home I knew there was something, a little weird about it. It has a shakiness between 20 and 30 miles an hour. Now, that could be a few different things. It could be wheels not being balanced. It could be axles. It could be bushings and the control arms. The way I know it's a drivetrain issue is if it was the wheels. Let's just say it was the wheels. They weren't balanced. If that was the case, it would be vibrating and shaking at different speeds, not just from 20 to 30. And the way I know it's not the wheels is when I let off the gas pedal, like say I'm doing 70 and I let off and let it cruise down to 0. It doesn't shake or vibrate or anything in that 20 to 30 range. Only under acceleration. It doesn't matter if it's hard acceleration, light acceleration, any acceleration. It does a little bit of a shakiness and vibrates. So that right there, I know for sure is a drivetrain issue, and I did verify it with a few other of my car friends that really know their vehicles when it comes to repairs or modifications. So it ended up being axles, and fortunately I found axles through O'Reilly Auto Parts for a whopping $165. That's for the set. Now, if I were to get those from Germany, from the BMW dealership, because BMW manufactures Mini Coopers, for those of you that didn't already know that. If I were to get OEM brand new axles from Germany, non-refundable, non-returnable, they're $700 a piece. I don't know about you, but I'm not spending, $1,400 on axles and then a crazy shipping price because customs pricing and all that BS. So let's just say $1,500 for brand new axles for a 2006 base model Mini Cooper automatic. And the automatic is a CVT transmission. Yes, I know CVTs are not the greatest, but I didn't buy this car for her to be going fast. If that was the case, I'd buy her a GTI or a Mark 7, a Golf R. We didn't get this vehicle for her to be racing around town. We got it for her for one, to look good, two, to be safe and fuel efficient, and three, to stance the hell out of it. Yes, it's getting stanced. And the great thing about going through O'Reilly's, not only did I just save, $1,340, $1,335, something like that. But not only did I just save that money, I also, through O'Reilly's, I get $46 back with core charging. So when I go to replace those axles and I remove the old ones, I can bring those back in and like I said, get $46, which is awesome. So technically I only spent, I spent $165. So 46 minus 165 is what? So not only was it a complete bargain, and it was a limited lifetime warranty, they're not cheap knockoff units. They are, man, that sun is bright. They're not cheap knockoff units. They are remanufactured OEM axles. So it's a win-win. And I know a lot of you guys are saying, but remanufactured units are junk. No, not really. They're just as great as brand new ones, because after they're remanufactured, they're brand new. This is random, guys, but man, I gotta clean this Volkswagen bad. I haven't driven this thing in a few days. Ever since we got the Mini Cooper, it's kind of been, you know, main focus on that. And for all of you original Volkswagen content subscribers, I apologize that I haven't been giving the Volkswagen some love. I will be doing that shortly, but for the time being, I want to get this Mini Cooper dialed in, as Obsessed Garage would say, or Matt Mormon from Obsessed Garage. I want to get it just right for her, so I know there's no issues. I know there's one other issue with it. I think it's a vacuum leak somewhere. It pretty much sounds like it has boost when accelerating, which is pretty cool. But another random fact, I had a video that I was creating last night, or vlogging last night, and I went to create it and realized that the audio jacks, or not the audio jacks, but the jacks on the Rode Video Micro attachments, they weren't plugged in all the way, so it was all static and there was no audio. It was horrible. So unfortunately, you didn't see me clean my good friend Luke Tucker. He's got a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. You didn't see me clean that because it was a detailing video, and I raced his Miata, his race car Miata that he's building. Unfortunately, the Mini Cooper lost, and I took a huge L.
No. Oh, no.
It's okay though. Like I said, the Mini Cooper's not fast. But for the detailing aspect of his Charger, one day I'll get a better video of in-depth coverage on how I clean his car, what I use to clean the car, and maybe we'll get some more coverage on that car. But I want all of you right now to go to his YouTube profile and subscribe. He's got great quality videos. He uses drones, GoPros, DSLR, all that good stuff. He knows what he's doing. But yeah, I want all of you to stop what you're doing right now, pause this video, subscribe to his channel. I put his information in the description below, and I'll put the link right here. That's also his Instagram handle, so make sure to follow him on Instagram as well. Let's get his subscribers up. He's got more than me, but I don't care. He doesn't really have a lot of time to do videos, but maybe all 177 of you can go to his channel, hit that subscribe button, and let's give him some more motivation to make some quality content. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I know it wasn't the most intriguing video to watch, but I wanted to explain why it might go another week until I have some content of the Mini Cooper. I'm probably gonna do a quick wash on the vehicle this weekend and hopefully get that up by Monday or Tuesday. So be on the lookout for those videos. So I appreciate every one of you subscribing and liking all my videos, even leaving comments as well. So make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button, give it a big like, and we'll see you on the next one.